Fortum provides energy for people. We have core operations in 10 countries, and we employ about 9,000 people.
The whole energy industry is under enormous change, and we want to be part of this change.
We have a vision here that when we are expanding, we need to find new business models, new way of working, and digitalization is one answer.
A modern workplace has to be flexible, but it's also the tools. And Microsoft has enabled us to take one step forward with our digital transformation. Using Office 365 and Microsoft Hubs, for example, we have those in every single meeting room here.
Back in the day, we were stuck. The inflexibility of the old video conferencing infrastructure was not very supportive.
If you have to struggle with the device around 15 minutes, you have only 45 minutes left for the effective meeting.
Having the tools like Surface Hub allows you to share, collaborate, get insights. Skype meetings can maximize the amount of remote work.
Some of the problems before this transformation focused on the communication. We were really scattered in our company, so it was really important for us to change from our old headquarters to this location.
When we changed offices, we cut the total office area into 1/3. It really allows us to save real costs, which can then be translated to savings by our customers.
To be able to hire the best talents from the labor markets, that is very important. We are very proud when we can show that we have modern tools and more efficient ways of working.
Whenever technology becomes widely available, things become natural. We don't notice it anymore. Nowadays, the video conferencing is, in a sense, part of the furniture. Natural gestures provide us a way to be creative in a totally different way than we were. Having Surface Hub actually allows us to think differently.
I think collaboration is the key to be innovative. It's not only IT anymore, it's also businesses together with the IT. And it's really important to build this ecosystem around the company.
We have done things in a very conventional way for a long time, and now it's time for us to take those new experiences to empower all the employees across the company.